This is Xbox Wireless Controller 2020 review. Xbox wireless controllers are priced at $5,999, £5,499, £7,499 Australian dollars, but it's worth mentioning that each Xbox Series X and Series S console comes with a controller. In addition to carbon black and robot white, the Xbox wireless controller will also be available in the breathtaking shock blue color. At first glance, the Xbox wireless controller does not appear to be a particularly drastic upgrade over its predecessor. It retains the traditional button and trigger layout. However, closer inspection reveals a few subtle changes Microsoft has implemented. Its exterior now has a matte finish that matches the new Xbox Series X console's designs. While this certainly looks sleek, it has its disadvantages as well. The black controller that comes with the Xbox Series X is easy to pick up scratches and scuffs. However, that is a minor quibble, and we generally found the Xbox wireless controller to be more premium in both appearance and feel. The pad now features a tactile surface on the triggers, grips, and bumpers, which we found made the controller feel more secure in our hands. The two biggest features are the addition of the share button and the hybrid D-pad. The share button essentially serves as a screenshot capture button. A single click of the button will take a screenshot, while holding it down for a longer period will record a 15-second video by default. You can adjust the video duration in the capture settings. It is much easier to take a screenshot on the PS4 than on the Xbox One, where you must press the home button and then X or Y. However, we found it a bit challenging to quickly take a screenshot. Your experience may vary depending on how large your hands are. However, the design of the controller has remained largely unchanged. The controller retains its 3.5mm audio jack and expansion port at the bottom, its USB charging port and pairing button at the top, and its view, menu, and Xbox buttons on the face. In addition to cosmetic changes, the Xbox wireless controller offers improvements in functionality as well. We found the controller to be more responsive, which is likely attributed to the lower latency Microsoft boasts about, combined with an improved frame rate stability of the Xbox Series X/S, while connecting the gamepad wirelessly via Bluetooth to a variety of devices. You have two options to avoid the hassle of changing and charging batteries constantly when using the Xbox wireless controller. It again operates on AA batteries, regular or rechargeable. It is possible to invest in a play and charge kit, a battery pack that is rechargeable and allows you to charge your controller as you play or between sessions, or you can connect your controller via USB-C to the console, although this will limit your freedom of movement. The Xbox wireless controller can be remapped on the Xbox Series X and Xbox Series S via the Xbox Accessories app, but the level of customization is somewhat limited. In addition to the ability to remap a number of the controller's buttons, the app even lets you control aspects such as whether you want your sticks automatically inverted and whether your controller vibrates. We found the remapping process to be fairly straightforward, despite the fact that some buttons, like the Xbox button, cannot be changed. It is understandable, since the Xbox wireless controller utilizes the impulse trigger feature of previous Xbox gamepads, which provides haptic feedback to your fingertips when you, for example, are driving along dirt roads in Dirt 5.